What's up, people? I'm again here to talk about weather. It's basically the morning weather. I wake up earlier after that I finished my fajr salah. It's a duty. It's a duty. You know that it's a rule of our creators Almighty Allah. So I finished my duties. So after that I just here for taking exercise like it's morning work. It's equal morning work, and me and my brother, his name is Robil. He's also a good person, and he also wanna make his body fit. So now I wanna talk about weather. Weather is a very cool day. I haven't word to say anything about weather. It's a gift from Allah. You know that it is mind blowing. I haven't words to say about this weather. If anyone wake up earlier, those person can work, or those person can enjoy a happy life. And with the happy weather, this weather can make you cool and your mind will be refreshed. So if you don't believe that, you can try it, and it's also necessary that you have to say prayers, 5 times prayers. So that's all for today. Allah Hafiz. Bye.